Today's adventure of Kimmy and Kathy's Wild America is releasing Colonel Corn here. We put him in a saran wrap covered bucket.
Aww,
he's so cute.
Wait,
he's so cute. He climbed right in the bucket. Well, his eye is reflecting and that makes him scary, but he's not at all. I dug him a nice place under this tree.
Oh, he's just a cinnamon bun.
He does not, oh no, he's just a solid frozen. It's so wet there. I don't know if that's a bad thing. Oh, he doesn't want to come out. I'm sorry, Corn. Colonel, come on, Colonel. Oh, he doesn't want to come out. Oh, there he is. Okay, there you go. There he goes. See? He knows he's gonna cover himself up. Nice and warm. He's quite long. He didn't even need me to dig that hole.
No, I told you he would find one.
Cover yourself up better. Better than that, Colonel, there's things hunting for you.
He's going.
Okay, go, Colonel. Get it, Colonel Corn. He's a corn snake. At least we decided he was a corn snake and not a copperhead.
Yeah, he's too nice.
He's very friendly and docile. He is.
However, there could be snakes in here that are not friendly.
I know.
That's scary.
Okay, I think the last little bit of him. Wow, he really. How did he? How? I mean, like, where does he go?
He just went underneath and just kept going.
I'm gonna touch him.
Ooh.
That made him go.
Slimy?
No, not at all. They're not slimy. A job well done, Ranger Kimmy. Now, before we get arrested for being in the park after hours, there's Alex. He came with us, but he wouldn't come all the way because he broke his ankle, he said.